So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we go about looking at how we can fix the issue wherein you are not able to upload videos on Facebook. Now somebody had commented on one of my videos that they are not able to upload any photos or videos on the Facebook app. So suppose I tap on allow photos and videos, they get something but they are not able to upload videos, they get some weird message. Well, what the weird message here seems to say is that I need to give some camera permissions. Now, this is pretty obvious, and let's understand all of this on a holistic basis. You see, any application that you see on the Android screen requires permission. If the app is something like, say, WhatsApp, and you want to display contacts in it, you need to give WhatsApp the permission to access contacts on your mobile. Likewise, if you are booking, say, a cab using Uber, what you need to do is give Uber the permission to access location on your device so that the app knows where you are. So without permissions, these apps are basically useless. But then you shouldn't give permission all the time. You should give permissions only at the time when the app is being used. Now let's see, for example, what Facebook has access to. So I head towards, I swipe from top, head towards the mobile settings, and from here I go on to apps. I search for Facebook, so I head towards manage app and I search for Facebook. Inside Facebook, I actually go ahead and check for app permissions, and I see that it doesn't have access to camera, so I need to go ahead and give it access. Likewise, uh, other things would be fine, like I need to give access to storage, so go ahead and give access to whatever you think is fine. And then, once that is done, suppose you need to make a call on Facebook, if you don't give access to microphone, basically it's not gonna pick up your voice at all. Likewise, if I don't give access to camera or storage, it can pick up stuff from my gallery, because my gallery is nothing but my internal storage. Now if I go back and if I head towards Facebook, you see it directly picks up my gallery, and I can directly select pictures, videos, or whatever. So this is the common thing that you need to understand. Well guys, if this doesn't work for you, what I suggest is head towards the Facebook application itself and check if it has an update. uh, like Head towards Facebook and check if it has an update, and if there is an update available, go ahead and install the update. Also at this point, what I want you guys to do is, when you are here, when you have searched for the Facebook app, simply go ahead and clear the cache. Sometimes the cache may be creating an issue, so you clear the cache and clear the data. So that's totally on you. I mean, if you do this, don't worry, none of the data gets deleted as such, but it's great, so try doing this. If this doesn't work, maybe uninstall and reinstalling the app itself can also work. Sometimes simply a small reboot of the device really helps. But when you actually give the app permissions, I'm pretty sure that this problem will disappear, and you will be able to upload photos, videos, and every other thing that is now being permitted to be used on this device via your permissions. So go ahead and give the app the permissions that you think is required, and then try doing this and everything should work. So guys, hopefully today's tutorial helps you understand how you can fix the issue. Not only understand how to fix the issue, but also understand why it happens in the first place. When you understand a certain thing, you yourself are in a better position to fix it and maybe explain to others as well. So if you like our work, please subscribe. Please do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial, and please do share this with your friends on social media. That really helps us. If you have a smartphone, something is bothering you, do keep us informed. We would like to invest in the smartphone that you have and research for solutions that can help you and overall community at large. So that's all guys from my side. It's me, Amlan, signing off. Have a great one.